Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check the graphic cards of your Windows PC. Now, the fastest way to go about this is to use the Windows key shortcut. And for that, you're going to be pressing the Shift button plus Control button plus the Escape button. So pressing these two buttons will take you to the Task Manager. And right on the Task Manager, you'd want to click on Performance, and on the Performance tab you can see these metrics. The first one is the CPU metric. You have the memory, which is the RAM, and then you have the disk, the Wi-Fi, and the GPU. Now for my PC, this is the only GPU that I have on board. If you have other GPU, it's going to be listed right here under the performance widget. Now, if you need to find any other information about your system, what you want to do is to come to the search box and you want to search for system information. Just click on Hub, and from here you can see all other information about your PC. Now, for example, you can see the processor, you can see the BIOS version, you can see the baseboard manufacturer, product version, and so on. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.